Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, our goal is to take the derivative of the function on the left in red, y equals square root of x times ln of x. Notice it's a product, so I can call this part f and this part g. And just a reminder on the far right, the product rule. Whenever I want to take the derivative of two functions that are multiplied, in this case f and g, then the answer is f prime g plus g prime f. So let's go ahead and solve then for y prime. Y prime is the derivative of f. Let's go ahead and rewrite root x as x to the 1/2 so that we can do power rule. Okay, so our derivative then is the derivative of f, so 1/2 x to the minus 1/2, that is by power rule. Then we multiply by g, which is ln of x. Next we add, take the derivative of g, and the derivative of ln of x is just 1/x. And we still multiply by x to the 1/2 because that is our f. Okay, so we do need to take another derivative. Maybe we can clean this up a little bit. Let's see, if I rearrange this, I get ln of x over 2 square root of x plus let's see, x to the 1/2 over x. You can subtract the exponent, so that's like x to the 1/2 minus 1, or x to the minus 1/2, or 1 over square root of x. So that's what we have so far. I suppose we could factor out a 1 over root x and just leave it a little bit cleaner. That gives us times ln of x over 2 plus 1. So I think that's about as pretty as we're going to get for y prime of x. Okay, so our next goal is to find y double prime of x. Now notice that we have yet another product. Woo, so we're going to do product rule again. This time, this will be f, and the parenthesis part will be g. And I'm going to go ahead and, like before, I'm going to go back to the form minus 1/2 to make it easier. So this will be my f. So when we do power rule, we already know that it's a minus 1/2 there as the exponent. Okay, so let's go ahead and do product rule one more time. The derivative of f is minus 1/2 x to the minus 3/2 because we subtract 1 from the exponent. And then g comes next, left as is. Then we add, and we have the derivative of g. The derivative ln of x is 1/x, and the 2 goes along for the ride, and derivative 1 is 0. And then times x, the minus 1/2. All right, all we have left to do is a little cleanup, and then we will have finished our problem. So this is great. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Let's go ahead and just to kind of see what we have, let's go ahead and distribute this left side over into both parts of the parenthesis. So let's see, we will get minus ln of x over 4x to the 3/2 on the bottom. That's cleaning up this first part, this part here. And then we'll do the second part. So that will be minus 1/2 x to the minus 3/2. Well, I can put it on the bottom. Why don't we do that, make it pretty? So this will be 1 over x to the 3/2 on the bottom. I have this term, and that will be plus. I do have a 1/2. Then I have x to the minus 1/2 minus 1 more, so that's minus 3/2, or positive 3/2 on the bottom. So we actually get something really nice to cancel. So notice that these two terms add to 0, so they are canceled. So we actually get a very nice compact second derivative of minus ln of x over 4x to the, I keep my 2's don't want to stay there, 3/2. Let's make sure the 2's there. Come on, 2. Let's see if I can get that 2 to right. There we go. Okay. So it looks like we have solved both the first and second derivatives. So excellent. Hopefully that helped. Have an amazing day.